Public versus private IP addresses. Simple explanation. Every device in your home has an IP address. Your phone, your laptop, your TV. But strangely, your entire house usually has only one IP address on the internet. How is that possible? Inside your home network, every device gets its own private IP address. For example, your phone might be 192.168.1.10. Your laptop 192.168.1.11. These IP addresses only work inside your home. They are not visible on the internet. Think of it like rooms inside a house. Each room has a number, but outside, people only see the house address. What is a public IP? Your router, the box that connects you to the internet, has a public IP address. This is the address the internet sees. So when you visit the website, your request goes through the router, and the website sees your public IP, not your private one. How do they work together? Let's say you open Google on your phone sends a request from its private IP, the router receives it, the router sends it to the internet using its public IP, Google sends the response back, the router sends it to your phone. So inside, private IP, outside is public IP. Connection to previous video. And remember DNS? When you type google.com, DNS finds the IP address of Google's service. Then your request travels using your public IP. So in simple terms, private IP is inside your network, public IP is your identity on the internet. In the next video, we'll look at how this works behind the scenes using something called NAT, Network Address Translation. If you like this, subscribe.